Okay. Got gloves on because I don't want to touch cat poop. Basically the bowl's not turning properly, so we're going to take this thing apart and replace the bowl motor. I'm going to undo the conveyor. There's these thumb screws. There's 2 of them. Lift the bowl up. This is a major problem with these. The litter gets everywhere. So the bowl motor's right here, and it turns this gear right here, which rotates the bowl because there's teeth right here. See, there's 2 mounting screws right there. And that's the motor right there. So it's got a gear on here. I have to remove it. Man, there's some junk on there. May need to get a smaller screwdriver. Yeah, let me go get a smaller Phillips. Be right back. And you got a smaller Phillips. And there's the gear. So what we'll do next, we'll get our new motor right over here. I get these online. It's a half moon. Pretty easy to install. Just bottom the gear out, tighten the set screw. Okay. Clean this out a little bit. It looks like it's got a bunch of junk in it. There's these little pins right here that line up right there on the ears of the motor. Now we just have to install our screws. Put the screws back in. You don't have to tighten these too tight. Strip out that plastic housing. And then it's pretty idiot proof right here. This ear goes into that. Just like that. And always make sure that the cable goes under here so that it doesn't fall out before I put the 2 big screws in. 1, 2. make sure you start both screws before tightening them down. And make sure your wires here aren't getting pinched under these. Okay, that's got our motor replaced. Here's the bad one. Ball back. This right here has to go into the conveyor, so it needs to sit somewhere like that. This right here is a piece of plastic that I cut years ago, and it's to put a little umbrella over this so that litter can't get between that gap. Now what I'm doing is I'm plugging the conveyor motor in. Trying to anyway. Okay, let me go get a litter scooper right quick. What I'm going to do is scoop a little bit of this litter out from under the conveyor, so that way it'll lay down. And remember, that ear right there has to cover that notch on this retaining wall. I'm just going to snug this one down. This one I'm not going to completely tighten. I'm going to leave it just a little bit loose. And then when the conveyor turns, gets the bottom of the, when the bowl turns and gets the bottom of the conveyor cleared a little bit, we'll snug it on down. Okay. Okay, let's get this thing plugged in and we'll see if it works. Okay, we can see here that the bowl has been turning and it's working fine now. All it needed was a new bowl motor. I hope you found this video helpful. Please remember to give it a thumbs up. Thank you. And remember, don't be destructive. Fix, repair, create. Make the world better.